Let us continue the slides now. So in this example, so here triangular park given here, right? So in that the length of the sides of the triangular park given 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. So the gardener then here has to put fence all around it and also plant grass inside. So how much area? So they're asking area first. How much area does she need to plant? And find the cost of fencing. They're asking cost of fencing also. So rupees 20 per meter square they are given. Okay. So here the length of the three sides of the park given here. So two subdivisions they are asking here. That is two questions they are asking here. So one is they're asking to find out the area, and second one they're asking to find out the cost of fencing. That's it. Okay. So now what is area? So area formula we already know that. So A equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So already we know this formula, that is Heron's formula. So what is S here? So S is nothing but sum of the, that is half of sum of the three sides. That is A plus B plus C by 2. A is 120 and B is 80 and C is 50 and divided by 2. So if we add all these three values, we'll get so 250 and divided by 2. So here 1 time, so here 125 times. So what is S now? So S equal to 125. So 125 meter. So next we are going to substitute in the formula, that is A equal to, so square root of, so S value 125, so into 125 minus A, that is minus 120 into 125 minus B, so B is 80 and into 125 minus 50, so C is 50. Okay, so equal to square root of, so 125 into, so if you subtract means 5 into, if you subtract these two means, so 45 into, if you subtract these two means 75. Okay, so here except 5 remaining numbers are composite numbers, so we have to factorize using prime factors. Okay, so square root of this 125 can be splitted as 5 into 5 into 5, right, and into, and one more 5 is there in the next one, and into 45. This 45 can be splitted as, so 3 into 5. This everything prime factorization. If you find out prime factorization means it will come like this. And 75 can be splitted as 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, it will come like this. So equal to, so out of these two 1 5, okay, into, and out of these two can take one more 5, and out of these two 3s can take 1 3, and the next out of these two 5s can take 1 5. So what about the remaining number? So this 3 and this 5, so they have not any pair, so write asterisk within the square root. So 3 into 5, that's it. So if you multiply these everything, you will get area, right? So we'll get the area. So that is the area here. And next they are asking to find out the cost of fencing. So what is fencing? So fencing means the sum of the area of the three sides of the triangle. Okay, so here the three sides are given 120 plus 80 plus 50. So the fencing is nothing but, so that is total fencing. So total fencing is nothing but, so if you add everything we'll get 250. So 250 meter. Okay, 250 meters nothing but the total area of fencing or the total length of the sides. But they are asking to leave space for 3 meter for a gate. Okay, so from the fencing we need to subtract 3 meter for gate area. Okay, so fence, now the required fence, that is RF, required fence. Okay, required fence equal to 250 minus 3 meter for gate. So we'll get 247. So 247 is nothing but except the gate. So they're asking to find out the cost of fencing here. So rupees 20 per meter given. What about for 247 meter? So TC, that is total cost, equal to 247 into rupees 20. So multiply these two, you will get the total cost for fencing, right? So look at the next example. So find the area of the triangle whose sides are in the ratio. So here instead of sides they are given the ratio of the sides, and perimeter also given here. They are asking to find out the area of the triangle. So how can we do this? So look at the solution video now. So before going to solution video, so look at here what is what they are asking here. So find the area of the triangle and whose sides are in the ratio. So ratio 3:5:7 given here. Okay, so here ratio they are given means how can we take the unknown value? We already know that ratio given means we can multiply the ratio by a variable. Okay, so now I am going to take the side, that is, let A equal to 3x. Okay, because the ratio 3:5:7, that's why the first side I took as 3x, and next B equal to 5x and C equal to 7x. Okay, 7x. So these are the three sides now we took like this. Okay, so next the perimeter is 300 meter given. So what is perimeter? So sum of the three sides equal to perimeter. So add these three sides now. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x equal to 300. So now add everything here. So 3 5s are 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So 15x equal to 300. Right? So what is x now? So x equal to 300 divided by 15. So here 1 time, here 2 time. So equal to 20. So 20 meter. So x is nothing but 20. Okay. And here A equal to 3x, B equal to 5x and C equal to 7x we took like this. So now what about the respective length of the sides? So A equal to 3x we took. So we found x equal to 20 meter. Therefore 3 into 20. So equal to how much? So 3 into 20 equal to 60. So 60 meters nothing but length of first side. Okay. And next B equal to 5x. So 5 into 20. So 5 into 20 how much? So 5 into 20, 100. Okay. So 100 meter. And what about the third side? That is C equal to 7x. So equal to 7 into 20. So equal to 720s are 140. So 140 meter. Okay. So A equal to 60 meter, B equal to 100 meter, and C equal to 140 meter. Right. So now we have the sides. Now we got the sides. So next we are going to find out the area. Okay. So area formula you already know that it is A equal to, so root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So already you know the formula here. So how can you find the S value? S is nothing but sum of the three sides. So if you add all the three sides, it's nothing but 300. Okay, in perimeter also given as 300 only, and half of the perimeter is nothing but S value. So equal to, if you divide it means we get, so 150. Okay, so 150. So 150 meter, that is the value of S. So next substitute in the formula. So A equal to square root of, so instead of S, 150 into So 150 minus, so what is A value? A value is 60, and then again 150 minus, what is B value? So B value is 100, again into 150 minus, what is C value? C value is 140. So everything inside the square root only. Okay, so A equal to root of, if you simplify this, so 150 into, so if you subtract 60 means 90 into, so 150 minus 100, 50 into, so 150 minus 140, 10. Okay, so these are the values inside the square root. Next we are going to factorize everything here. So how can you factorize? Through the factorization, that is prime factorization method only. So here A equal to root of 150, 90, 50, 10 is there. So A equal to, so square root of, so 150 is there. So instead of 150, can we write this as 5 into 30. So 30 into 5 is 150. So next 90 is there. So can you write this as 30 into 3. Okay. So into, so next what is there? So 150, 90, 50 is there. So you can write 55 into 10. Okay. And finally, so 10 is there. So into 10. Right. So equal to square root of, so 5 into, so here 230s are there. Okay, so we can take out of 230 130 here. Okay, and so instead of this one, we can take the common factor from here itself. Okay, so equal to, so how many 5s are there? So 2 5s are there, you can take 1 5 out of 2 5s. So into, so 2 30s are there, you can take out of that 130, and the next one, 2 10s are there, out of these 2 10s you can take 110. Okay, what is the remaining one? So remaining one is only 1 3, it does not have any pair here. Okay, so right inside the square root as it is. So equal to, multiply this. When you multiply here, 5 3s are 15, that is 5 3s are 15, 150, 150 into 10, 1500. So 1500 root of 3 meter square. So this is nothing but area. So that is the procedure to find out the area of the triangle. Look at the next example. So the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter given. So the advertisements yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. So how much rent did it pay? So here the length of the 3 sides given here, that is 122, 22 and 120. Okay, let us take this one A, B, C. And the advertisement, they are going to put an advertisement inside the wall only. For that the cost is 5,000 meter square, that is 5,000 rupees per meter square. Okay, per year they are given. So here what you need to find means, first you have to find out A value, that is area. Okay, first you have to find out what is the area. Okay, in that A value given, B value given and C value also given. So A value 122 and B value 22 and here C value is nothing but 120, and find out the area. And then if you need the rent, the total rent means, so rent equal to, so multiply the answer area into 5,000. Okay, 5,000, and they are asking for 3 months only. Okay, 3 months means we have to divide the year by 4. Okay, so that's it. So area into 5,000 into 4, right, and find out the answer. So that is your rent. So here why I put the division 4 means we can split the full year by 3 months means 4 times you can split. So that's why I think everyone have understood this video.